Well, folks, it's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We're on board our 34-foot Tollycraft. It's a 1982, powered with a pair of 270 Crusaders. Those are 5.7-liter GM engines. It's in beautiful shape. 1886 hours on the port, 1866 on the starboard is what it is. We're going to do our signature startup video. The first thing we're going to do is turn the blower on. There's so much sound insulation that you might not be able to hear it, but the blower is on. We'll let it run for a few minutes. I've already done the checks. You'll see those photos with the oil, etc. I always check the valves, always check the oil. Couple of pumps on the throttle. We're going to start with the port side. You can start either side, hold it back, turn the key. Or we're going to start with, well, the port side, even though it's got a green key in it. Doesn't get much better than that. Fire it up. You know when an engine's in great running shape when it fires up on the first catch. Full tanks of fuel, 14 volts charging, 1100 RPMs. You got 40 pounds of pressure, and you can see the temp gauge isn't registering. That's not because it's not working. This is because it's a dead cold start. Let's go take a look out the back. Take a look at the exhaust. Make sure we got good water flow. And there we go. Just what we want to see, a little bit of exhaust. That's normal. It's the right color. It's white. That'll clear up when it warms up. And then we're going to do exactly the same thing on the starboard engine, even though it's got a red key in it. A couple of pumps on the throttle. There we go. Low oil pressure alarm. And I'm going to pull the throttle back and fire it right up. Let it warm up around 1100 RPMs. There we go. Similar type oil pressure, 40-50 PSI. Temp gauge is not registering because it's a dead cold start. 14 volts charging, full tank of fuel. It's what we want to see. Doesn't get any better. This boat is in great running shape. The owner has kept it in excellent condition. He wanted to go boating with little to no problems, and this is what you're getting. This is probably the finest 34 Tolly I've ever seen. Probably the finest one available today. So please give us a call, 604-708-1980, Pacific Coast Yacht Sales.com on the net. Watch our videos, all of them. It's important. Give me a call. It's got Assumable Moorage in Point Roberts as well. Canadian boat available to Americans. I'm bonded and licensed in Washington State, can walk you through the whole process of how you can re-register this boat in the U.S. Somebody is going to get a great boat. I'm going to pull the throttles back as the chokes start to come off. The temp will start coming up. Again, we really appreciate you watching our startup video on a pair of 270 horsepower Crusader engines in a 34 Tolly. It's a 1982. One of the finest boats available on the coast today. Thanks again for watching.